You've touched it. You've trusted it. You've probably slammed a door made of it at least once in your life. And yet, if it suddenly exploded into tiny pebbles, you'd still say, "Huh, interesting." Today, we're talking about a material that looks calm, behaves tough, and breaks like it's auditioning for a safety commercial. I'm Professor Everything, and today we'll be answering the question, what is tempered glass? Right here on Explaining Everything. Let's start with the truth. Regular glass is dramatic. One wrong move, and it shatters into long, sharp shards that look like they were designed by a villain. Tempered glass, however, is regular glass that went through character development. Tempered glass is made by heating normal glass to extremely high temperatures, over 600 degrees Celsius, then cooling it very quickly. This process is called thermal tempering, and it rearranges the internal structure of the glass. Think of it like giving glass emotional resilience. The rapid cooling locks the outer surfaces into compression, while the inside is under tension. That internal stress balance is what gives tempered glass its superpower. It's about 4 to 5 times stronger than regular glass of the same thickness. So no, tempered glass is not a different species of glass. It's the same glass, but angrier and stronger and less likely to stab you. Here's where things get cool and oddly satisfying. When regular glass breaks, it forms long, razor-sharp shards. When tempered glass breaks, it crumbles into small, blunt, pebble-like pieces. Why? Because of those internal stresses we talked about. When tempered glass finally fails, all that stored energy releases at once. Instead of cracking in a few scary lines, it basically goes, "I'm done," and disintegrates into tiny chunks. This isn't random. This is intentional engineering. Those little pieces are far less likely to cause serious injury, which is why tempered glass is considered safety glass. It doesn't mean tempered glass is unbreakable. It means when it does break, it chooses peace over violence. Tempered glass is strong, like take a solid impact to the face and survive, strong. But it has one Achilles heel: its edges. The surface is tough because it's under compression, but if the edge gets chipped or damaged, the stress balance can collapse instantly. That's why a tiny edge flaw can cause the entire sheet to explode dramatically, often hours or even days later. Yes, tempered glass can sometimes break later for no obvious reason. This phenomenon is called spontaneous breakage, and it's usually due to microscopic defects inside the glass, often from tiny impurities like nickel sulfide. So if you've ever seen a glass panel randomly shatter and thought it was haunted, it wasn't. It was science having a delayed reaction. What makes this edge weakness even more unforgiving is that the stress inside tempered glass is locked in permanently. Unlike materials that bend or dent to release energy, tempered glass has nowhere to send that stress once the balance is disturbed. A tiny edge flaw doesn't grow slowly. It triggers a full structural meltdown, like pulling one card from a house of cards made of physics. This is why tempered glass is inspected obsessively before installation. The surface can look flawless, but the edges are where the real danger lives. In short, the strength of tempered glass isn't evenly distributed. It's strategically concentrated, and the edges are where that strategy runs out of mercy. Here's the key idea. Tempered glass is intentionally stressed on purpose. That sounds bad, but it's genius. The compressive stress on the surface makes it harder for cracks to start and spread. Any crack has to fight against that compression, which is why tempered glass resists impact so well. However, and this is important, once tempered glass is made, it cannot be cut, drilled, or reshaped. Try to modify it, and it will instantly shatter. No warning, no second chances. That's because altering it disrupts the carefully balanced internal stress. Tempered glass is very much a measure twice, manufacture once material. It's strong because it's stressed. It's safe because it fails completely. And it is extremely unforgiving if you mess with it after production. Tempered glass feels magical because it behaves differently from what our brains expect glass to do. We expect fragility, we expect danger. Instead, we get strength, predictability, and safer failure. Every piece of tempered glass is a frozen moment of controlled chaos, holding massive internal forces in perfect balance. It's calm, it's quiet, and it's constantly under pressure, like a polite person at a family reunion. That's why when it finally breaks, it doesn't crack, it releases. So what is tempered glass? It's regular glass that's been heated, shocked, stressed, and emotionally strengthened until it becomes tougher, safer, and far less stabby. The next time you tap on a smooth glass surface and feel confident it won't betray you, remember, you're touching a material that's under constant internal stress and handling it beautifully. And that's the magic of tempered glass. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.